comparing to fractions. Comparing to fractions. There are three conditions. First, if numerators are equal. Number two, if denominators are equal. Number three, if no any one are equal. यहाँ पर तीन प्रकार के फ्रैक्शंस हैं. नंबर एक, जब न्यूमरेटर इक्वल हो तो स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन वह होगा स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर होगा. स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन इक्वल हुज डिनोमिनेटर आर इज greater and greater whose denominator is smaller. Here there are its denominator is 5 and it's 8, it's 12 and it's 10. Smaller denominator is 5, so greater fraction is 3 upon 5 and smaller is whose denominators are greater. Here we find out that 3 upon 12 denominator is greater, so smaller fraction is 3 upon 12. If denominators are equal and numerators are unequal, there are smaller is whose numerator is smaller, that 8 upon 10 is smaller and 30 upon 10 is greater. If denominators are equal and their numerators are unequal, their smaller fraction is also whose numerator is smaller and greater is whose numerator is greater. Okay, in third conditions, if numerators and denominators are not equal, we find first LCM of denominator or numerator. Generally we find only LCM of denominators, because if we find numerators LCMs, their situations are just opposite. Greater fraction is whose denominator is smaller and smaller fraction whose denominator is greater. Then we always find only denominators LCM. LCM of denominator are 4, 8, 6 are 24. 24. Sorry, is 24. We find we create any other videos for finding LCMs. First we change 3 upon 4 as a denominator of 24. We multiply 6 to both sides and 2 upon 8 to creating 24 as a denominator. We multiplied 3 and at 1 upon 6 we creating as a denominator 24. We multiplied 4 to both terms, numerator and denominator. There it becomes 18 upon 24 and 6 upon 24 and 4 upon 24. We now their situations are converted in second condition whose denominators are equal. We easily find that smaller is 6 upon 24 and greater is 18 upon 24. Okay, we change their short simplest form because their questions are in 3 upon 4, 2 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. Now we write 6 upon 24 as 2 upon 8 and 18 upon 24 as 3 upon 4. Okay, we find that their conditions are becoming, we also comparing these conditions in this. दोस्तों आप लोगों का ये हमारा छोटा सा वीडियो कैसा लगा, फीडबैक जरूर दीजिए। धन्यवाद।